Wait, stop! I thought we were gonna play tag. I don't want to play this game anymore. I said I don't want to. Oof. Yeah, you found me. Guess it's my turn, huh? No. What, huh? What are you talking about, Amanda? It's my turn. I said I don't want to play this game anymore. But Amanda, did you not hear me?
You got me shocked. You wonder why she don't like you.
Hi, my name's Amanda. What's your name? Oh, that sounds familiar. Have we played this game? Well, one person hides and you gotta go find them. I'm looking for my friend. Wait, do you think you see him? In this tree, in this box, that's a good hiding spot. Gotta get this done so we can have more fun. Hey, look, you found me. Guess it is my turn, huh? Or we could play another game, maybe tag. Hey, Amanda, I haven't gotten a turn. Can't we just do one more round of hide and seek? I guess that's only fair. 1 cup's next. Alright, you're the best. You must play this a lot. So, ready or not, here I come. Oh no, she could be anywhere. Do you see Amanda? Now watch us play our part. Now watch us get into scene. Don't want to fall apart like kids who never scheme to scream. We get to play all day, but we can play my way. Got another game, so can you try it with me? Amanda! Oh, Amanda! Hi, my name's Amanda. Oh, hi, it's you again. It's playing hide and seek. It seems like it never ends. Isn't it getting boring? We have more fun today if we try something else. But hide and seek away. I'm thinking how we play tag when to say you're it and our brother zigzag. We can be happy and we make believe that we
Amanda!
I'm saying
Amanda!
Ready? What? I just want to tape, but it's my turn now.
It's my turn now.
I just want to play something else. Now watch us play our parts. Now watch us dance and sing. Don't let it break your heart. Just play along and down. Get to play all day. But we can play my way. But another game. So can you try with me? She's just past this bush or behind this old tree. I don't think she got going down there. Please, you must trust me. I don't wanna go there. I don't wanna go in there. I don't wanna go anywhere. Huh? Look like you see him missing, Mr. Fox. Now watch him crawl apart. Now watch him gush and bleed. He has a beating heart with ended little scream. Now we can play all day when we will play my way. Got made my own game, so can you try it with me? Now watch us rip apart. Now watch her dance and gape. Don't puppets with beating hearts and strings with magic shape. Cursed on play all day, but never play always. Is there another game? And could you try it for me? Count to 10. Will you help me find my friend? Is she here? Is she there? I can't find her anywhere. What was your favorite hiding spot? Wait, hold on. Is that? It's you. It's you.